let's review what is a simple sentence. So we know, and there are some examples of simple sentences, and simple sentence has a subject. What are you talking about? So, кто это? Who is that? Это моя сестра. This is my sister. А кто она? Who is she? Она студент. So she is a student. And you notice that there's no I at the end for the student, because in Russian you can actually use the same word for man and woman for student. Что это? Это моя ручка. So this is a pretty simple sentence. No details, no verbs. Okay? Let's review it again. Кто это? Read it with me, please. Повторяйте. Repeat. Повторяйте. Кто это? Это моя сестра. А кто она? So the difference between кто это and кто она. Кто это, you just want to know who it is. And this is a more specific question. Who is she? What is she doing? What does she do for living? Она студент. Что это? Это моя ручка. This is my pen. Это моя ручка. Let's look at another example of a simple sentence. Саша, hyphen, тире, студент. Саша, студент. So if we look at the structure, we have two nouns, noun and noun. And here the computer says it's feminine. It can be feminine and masculine name, but yes, because of the I at the end, it's a feminine. It has letter F right here. So we are analyzing the sentence. You see Sasha first, and we know that Sasha is who, кто. It's thing, so it's a noun. So you see noun. And you have I at the end. Okay, it's a feminine. It could be masculine too, but in this case it's feminine. Okay, student. Okay, student. Student, it's also a noun, and computer says it's masculine because it doesn't have I at the end. Okay, let's go to another one. Anna, it's the name of the girl. It's noun. Answer the question who, кто, Anna. Feminine, okay. Тоже, also. Student, she's also a student. It's a noun. Okay. So this is the example of two simple sentences. Sasha is a student and also Anna also a student. So let's look at the example of compound sentence, more difficult sentence that has two simple sentences together in one. And they have a comma or a conjunction in between them. And conjunction can be and, also, but same as in English. You have compound sentences, and Russian has also compound sentences. So you see the compound sentence here. Саша студент, comma, и Анна студент. So you see two sentences together in one. We call it compound sentence, and it has and, и in between. Another one. Саша студент, comma, и Анна тоже студент. So notice what is the difference between these two. See, you have a hyphen here, and instead of hyphen you can say тоже in this sentence. Okay. And third one, Саша студент, а Лена доктор. So here's a comparison. Is Sasha is a student, but Lena is a doctor. So E gives you kind of agreement in between them, and A, it's a comparison. You say that Lena is not a student. She is a doctor. Sasha student, а Lena doctor. Now let's practice our skills, writing skills. How can we put sentences together? Simple sentences and compound sentences. So here we have examples, 2 examples of simple sentence and 3 examples of compound sentence. Let's follow these examples. We take any word that from word list, from the Quizlet, or from the dictionary, any word that you would like. You can write about yourself, about your parents, or just make it up. But please practice. Write 3 simple sentences and 3 compound sentences. So I can give you just an example of each one of it. One more example. Okay. Mama doctor. Mama is a doctor. Mama doctor. Papa тоже doctor. Father also is a doctor. So compound sentence from these 2 will be Mama doctor, comma, и papa doctor. So we followed these examples and this the first one. And if we would like to contrast and say that father is not a doctor, he is, who can he be? Diplomat, for example, you can say Mama doctor, а papa diplomat. Diplomat. So please feel free, create your sentences, even if they sound crazy. It can be just any words you find in the dictionary, but please keep the structure there and understand that E follows, talks about unity, meaning and, like in English, and. 2 parts are equal. A is a comparison. So you compare one part to another part. They are not the same. If you still have questions, and you will probably have questions, and it's absolutely fine, it's fabulous, you can email me at irena.sheina@as.ru or ask when you come to the class. Okay, goodbye. Have a good evening.